What's up, guys?
What's good, man?
We haven't made any videos in a long time, so we're just gonna go ahead and start putting out new content again.
Channel. So y'all probably been like, where them prolific boys been at?
A lot of you guys been messaging me, asking me when I'm gonna post some new videos. So we figured it's getting nice and warm out, so we're gonna go ahead and start making new videos for you guys. See behind us right here, we got the little vert.
We're just gonna put a big turbo on the vert too.
Yep. You guys know, a lot of you might know, I've been posting on like social media that we're gonna swap the turbo kit from Red Fury into this car. But we officially really like started today. We got the motor out, and then we're gonna start tearing this down. So tomorrow we'll get we're getting a head start today, so tomorrow it'll be a lot less work for us to rip out the engine. Probably take the last drive with it being stock. It won't be stock anymore after today.
Take a look, man.
Last time you guys gonna see this car with a stock setup. Pop the hood real quick. Pop the hood. So in a couple of days, this thing will be like twice the size of that one. So yes, sir. In the resting spot. Too close over here, so man. I say you have to go jack up like it. Start working on it right now. Transformer. Oh, there she is, boys and girls. She's in the spot, you know. Alright guys, so you can see the car is finally in the resting place where it's going to be for the next couple of days, getting worked on.
But like we said, man, we haven't posted nothing in a while. So we're just trying to give you guys a little update in what, like some of the things we've been doing behind the scenes, you know, planning and stuff. So y'all already know what's going to go in this thing.
You guys want to look over there? That's a quick sneak peek what's going to take place. You know. A lot of you might already know what that is. That's the setup from Red Fury. As you could look at it and you guys could tell. As we mentioned before, I posted a lot of little hints on Instagram and Facebook. Red Fury's getting a whole new setup, so is Smoke. So that turbo kit is no longer gonna be in Red Fury, so might as well slap it in the vert. In the next couple of days, we're gonna be ripping this thing apart. We're gonna slap that motor in here, and then we start making the exhaust and stuff like that for it. But other than that, you guys can see it, man. We haven't this is what we've been up to. We've been planning this for a little while, you know. As we said, there's no other V6 convertible Saab in the whole country that we know of. If there's one out there, then we don't know about it. So this will be the first one ever in the state, in the whole country, that to our knowledge. So why not? It's something cool.
Yeah.
You know?
So yeah, man, that's the update. We just spilled the milk, you know.
Spill the milk. We're gonna put some sugar in this one. But other than that, stay tuned for upcoming videos on the build.
Yeah.
So as we said, this is a little quick intro to
Yeah.
what we're gonna be doing in the next couple videos. So here it goes. You know. So we'll catch you in the next one,
Peace
guys.
out.
Peace out.